Now let's talk design. The Tesla phone is expected to bring a bold, distinctive look with the Tesla logo placed right in the center of the back. Not just a branding move, but also to match the aesthetic of other products in the Tesla ecosystem. The phone may feature nano-shield glass, which is said to be around 30% more crack-resistant than Apple's ceramic shield. And get this, there are even rumors Tesla's testing a self-healing liquid polymer coating that can repair minor scratches, kind of like the paint tech used on luxury cars. No other smartphone brand is doing this commercially right now. Another big advantage? Extreme temperature performance. While iPhones tend to throttle performance or shut down in high heat, the Tesla phone is reportedly engineered to keep running smoothly whether you're in the blazing sun or freezing cold. That's a game changer for folks who work outdoors like construction crews, delivery drivers, engineers, or anyone who moves across different climates. When it comes to storage, the Tesla phone might just set a new bar. We're talking options ranging from 512 gigabytes all the way up to 2 terabytes, something you rarely see even in the most premium phones today. That means plenty of room for 4K videos, high-res photos, and storage-heavy apps. Plus, it's built to sync effortlessly with everything in the Tesla universe, from your EV to your Optimus robot and maybe even Neuralink devices down the line. As smartphones continue to evolve into all-in-one tools for content creation, mobile work, and even temporary storage for smart devices, having massive internal storage isn't just convenient anymore. It's empowering. It gives users flexibility and full control, whether you're shooting a short film, editing on the go, or syncing data across your Tesla ecosystem. But here's another big reason the Tesla phone stands out: its firm stance on privacy. While some companies, yes, even Apple, have faced criticism for scanning photos, messages, or collecting user data behind the scenes, Tesla's approach is refreshingly clear. No tracking, no data harvesting, no silent surveillance. All biometric data, whether it's facial scans or fingerprints, is said to be processed and stored locally on the device. It never touches the cloud. In an age where over 90% of users are worried about their privacy being compromised, that kind of commitment makes the Tesla phone a much safer and more trustworthy choice. Now, if the Tesla phone really does launch with a starting price around $1,099, some folks might raise an eyebrow. But let's be real, it's not unreasonable. Think about it. Tesla is jumping into a brutally competitive smartphone market from scratch, building out both hardware and software without any legacy in mobile devices. That's a bold move. Apple, on the other hand, has a fully optimized global supply chain and cranks out hundreds of millions of iPhones a year. Tesla, they're just getting started, but that $1,099 price tag is still competitive for a flagship device. And more importantly, it's just the beginning. Tesla's no stranger to the start high, scale down strategy. They did it with EVs, launching with the high-end Model S, then scaling to the mass market Model 3. Experts expect a similar playbook here. Once Tesla ramps up production, tightens its supply chain, and leverages its massive scale, the price of the Tesla phone could drop fast and maybe, just maybe, give Apple a real run for its money in just a few short years. But the Tesla phone isn't just a smartphone. It could be the key to unlocking an entirely new revenue stream for the company, one that goes far beyond the auto industry. In a world where smartphones are glued to our hands, Tesla has a unique advantage: deep integration with Elon Musk's other ventures like Starlink, Optimus, and the broader Tesla ecosystem. Imagine a phone that doesn't even need a mobile carrier to stay connected, because it links directly to satellites. That's something no other consumer smartphone has pulled off at scale. Of course, the challenges are massive. Tesla will need to attract developers, build out a compelling software platform, and compete with the likes of the App Store and Google Play, which are, frankly, a huge part of what makes iOS and Android so dominant today. Without a rich app ecosystem, no amount of cool hardware will be enough to keep users around. Another big hurdle? Starlink integration. Shrinking satellite antenna tech down to fit inside a slim, lightweight phone is a serious engineering feat, not to mention the battery drain and potential costs. If Tesla really does manage to pull it off, chances are it'll be limited to future models or premium versions at first, not something we'll see right out of the gate. And let's not forget the cultural powerhouses Tesla is going up against. Apple and Samsung aren't just selling phones, they're selling lifestyles, habits, and ecosystems that people have been locked into for years. This won't be a quick fight. It's a long game, and Tesla will need time and patience to shift consumer behavior. Above all, launching a smartphone with the Tesla name isn't something that happens in a few short months. Even with Elon Musk's reputation for speed and bold vision, the phone market demands strategy, precision, and serious investment. If Tesla is really committed to this path, we likely won't see a working prototype until 2026, maybe even timed with the full launch of the Optimus robot. That could mark the moment Tesla evolves from an EV company to a full-blown tech ecosystem. So there you have it. Today's episode gave you a clearer, more grounded look at the future of the Tesla phone, from pricing and production strategy to software hurdles and technical barriers. Right now, it's all speculation. But with Elon Musk, once a project begins, there's a good chance it could change the world. Would you be willing to switch from your iPhone or Samsung to the Tesla phone? Do you think a $1,099 starting price is fair for a smartphone made by an automaker? Drop your views in the comment below. Thank you, and see you in the next episodes.